What's up everybody, my name's Luke Martin. I'm a Canadian YouTuber and traveler, and today I'm in Taipei City, Taiwan to make a video about the top 5 vegetarian foods that you can try here in Taiwan. Now, in some countries that might be a difficult task to find 5 delicious local vegetarian foods, but here in Taiwan there is an abundance of vegetarian foods to try, with some reports saying around 13% of Taiwan's population being vegetarian and over 6,000 vegetarian restaurants here in Taiwan. So I had no hard time finding vegetarian food. The hard part is gonna be picking only 5 to show you today. So make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to Taiwan Plus's YouTube channel. Let's go eat some vegetarian food. Number 2 on the top 5 Taiwanese vegetarian foods, I'm having noodles. There are plenty of vegetarian noodle options here in Taiwan, but one noodle dish here in Taiwan that is perfect for vegetarians is cold noodles. So as the name suggests, the noodles are served cold with a dressing of sesame sauce. It is absolutely delicious, one of my favorite noodle dishes, so let's try it out. The sesame sauce is absolutely smothering those noodles. It completely coats them. It's got a really nutty, earthy aroma to it. A couple pieces of julienne cucumber in there too to give it a little bit of a crunch and a little bit of a kick too from that chili oil. But I think I'm gonna add some more chili oil. Luckily there's some right on the table here. But wow, these are absolutely addicting. Perfect vegetarian dish and a perfect dish for a hot day like today here in Taipei.